Was I just a born egg? Oh my gosh, I'm so cool and I'm big and I'm an elemental egg. This is the best. I hope nobody takes me and turns me into fried chicken because that would be so bad. That would never happen. And I might hatch myself if I tried to. Hatch myself. It says, do you want to hatch? I do. I'll go on. I can only be a normal bird. Then I can be an unlockable. Then a game pass bird. If I complete my normal bird life first, I will do I know that the finches are really ugly. I might be a turkey. Stop it, TJ. I'm recording a YouTube video.
Okay.
So you must be quiet.
Riley, relax.
That was my friend TJ who's so annoying. And I do not want to
I
be.
don't think.
Stop it, TJ!
Relax!
And now I'll be here during this YouTube video.
It's not that. Riley, relax. Okay.
And I'm making my look to rest. Crazy. See, for I can be the coolest bird when I'm a grown up. Now I'm be Aussie fruit.
I'm the biggest bird.
Stop it, TJ. I do not want you to be heard in my YouTube video. I will find me recording a YouTube video. Really, bro? You know what? I'm recording a YouTube video and I'm not doing what doing my YouTube videos anymore. Bro, I'm recording a literal YouTube video. You know him because we're making I can describe me because this is my next video. And I hope you love this one because I worked really hard on it. And I want to kill TJ if I see him. He's the ugliest, stinkiest, and he pooped his pants. And I'm looking for a worm. I'm going to describe what you see. You feel what has lots of energy. And 3, 2, 1, go. You saw a fish, but a big one. Ooh. I get suffocated. You're just kidding me. I should eat a small fish, okay, and a big fish, okay. Oh, this is, do you want to grow up? I do. I know I had turkey, there's a girl, and I'm a girl. Wow, I'm the coolest. Except I do not have much flying energy. Flying away. I found a fish. Everybody's watching fish. Now I can feed fish to my kids when they're born. Do not tell your mom that because I'm actually a girl. And actually, I don't to eat this fish before my kids are born. Because I will teach them how to hunt. Not hunt for food for fun, they must hunt for themselves. Alone, without anybody with them. And actually, this fish is yummy. I take a little bite. Not a really big bite. I think my turkey's too. And why is my magic literal black? I know why, because my turkey is all red. And I'm a grown up. Are you cereal right now? Start with TJ. And spikes. I will kill any little bird who makes fun of my bird. Food! Like this fish. Start with TJ. You're not allowed to, TJ, the poopy pants. Started, you're not allowed to talk to my YouTube videos.
Riley, this is my room. Can I talk to myself?
No? Don't in your head.
This is my room. This is my room.
I got some 9 turkeys too fat and I need to rest until I can fly again. I'm gonna fly over. I'm flying away from the stinky TJ. Stop it, TJ. Stop
Oh my
it,
god, that's
TJ.
fucking
A worm. Coco. Stop it, TJ. Kill TJ. Kill.
Oh my god, listen to his eye.
I found a worm.
Now he just runs through the door.
Right now, even letting me love this literal worm. This worm looks so yummy. Ding, ding, ding. That means I can raise myself, but as a different type of bird now. But in the game, but in Fallen Waka Boys, then you go back like for 10 minutes later. Kill TJ. Stop it, TJ. Stop it, TJ. Now I will raise my roll up as fist until I hit fist. Ding, ding, ding. And then I can raise myself as a legend. As a Game Pass bird. Well, I need to hatch myself, and I don't know which bird I will be in the Game Pass. Yeah, it says, do you want to hatch? I do. I don't know which one I want to be. I'll be a... I don't know what I'll be. Something really cool. I really don't know how I'll be when I finally hatch. I hope it's something cool. Drop it, TJ. I feel I'm gonna hear it. Stop it, TJ. Stop it, TJ.
Okay, well, so are you still recording?
Yeah. This is the coolest. I hope you like this video because my friend is so annoying. I might maybe be fat and I might be like yeah. This is from the I always was this board. No questions allowed in comments now. Just kidding. There are. I think I can fly. Oh, I can't. I forgot. I must save protein to grow. Because now I can't. But I still cannot press grow. I need to go and get a yummy worms. Stop it, TJ! You're not allowed to find a YouTube video. Ah, this is so fun. Oh, I feel like I'm growing up. I feel like I'm growing up. I can fly. Now I need to go to the village and hear the ding, ding, ding. Then I can level 2 for Game Pass birds. And I will be the coolest. But yeah, I don't know which bird I would be in the Game Pass. Maybe like a crocodile? Maybe a phoenix for the coolest. I'm looking for Fish Village. Village, where are you, village? I'm coming. I'm going to turn to a Game Pass bird. Whistling the ding ding ding. Where I can be the coolest bird yet, and you know, birds be jealous. Ooh, a bridge. Babe, I don't know. I wonder what this would bring me to. And I thought we did the bunny. A bunny rabbit. I know that I eat a lot of things that what humans eat at the village, but this wrap looks so yum. Oh, other one. I won't need to read it. Why am I a bunny? Now I need to eat some stuff with humans eat. I don't know if it's good or not. I'm a bird. Birds hate human foods. I only eat worms when humans eat. I never saw one before, so I don't know if they eat. I hope they eat worms. I love worms. Just for this, okay? You never thought of this. Oh. Is there a grab or something? Oh, there's a potion, but I can't touch it. Oh man, I forgot. How many humans can touch it? I know what you eat. Human. What is human eat? Not cactus is that's weird. Oh, peanuts? They love peanuts. Berries and coconuts? They love. I know if they eat coconuts and berries. Is for like any more things like they eat? No, if they eat fried turkey meat. The same big as birds. To me, a fish. Ding, ding, ding. Now I knew. Restart my life, but that's it. Turn into a game password. I don't know which one. That was the one. And people will. YouTube video. My boyfriend. And I hope nobody hears that because
Why are you still recording? Probably tell me when you stop recording.
okay. I'm going to go out and see the world for one more time. I knew half myself that I know to be a Game Pass bird. I don't know which one, so I must jump off of the biggest thing which is really high up because I'm an egg and I'm really big. Not MU, they're the ugly, but they're not a Game Pass bird. I'm glad with that. It says do, ouch. It says do you want to hatch? I do! I will, it's a phoenix, a cockatrice, and a griffin. I will be a phoenix. Oh, wasn't there I will blackify it. I'll be gosh, I'm the coolest bird in the world. Nobody will want to mess with me, the best bird yacht. Oh my gosh, I'm going to be the best elemental yet. And I'm going to make mine look a little shelly because I'm not sure. My bird is actually a dinosaur. Oh my gosh, I look so cool. It's like that hurting me a little bit when they hatch. Do you have fire breath? Like all of the eggs told me when I was in the egg? Yes. Like, really? I have black air. I smell smoke. I smell smoke. Can I walk on lava? What happens if I touch this water? The water hurts. The water hurts. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna give. Here we go, my. Oh, you like it? I never eat that before. I was just an egg. Being with you made me grow up quicker. Thank you for welcome back. I'm a literal YouTuber, you kid. Sally. Bro, you sound like a baby. Are you a baby? Because I'm not a baby. I am. Oh, really? 1 billion. 10 billion. Wrong. It's 10 billion a trillion. This is the stone that gives us our elements. Mine is dark is fire. Dark is dark fire. Never talks about elements, or else they will get burned with hot dog. We got cheater. Now I need to get some human food, and I don't. Bro, I need door. Some food of it. Ooh, some fish is good. Is there anything else? Ooh, acorn. And some nuts. That was humans eat. And I know I do put my YouTube videos on YouTube. So my friend T does not even need to help me. Ding ding ding. I think the video is over. I hope you like the video. Bye!